So we will see in this lesson together some common interrogative words, and they are extremely useful. You will have to use them all the time. So let's start together and let's enjoy learning them. How many? Combien? 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 How? Comment? 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 Which one? And it's for the masculine in that case. Lequel? 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 Which one? And it will be for the feminine. Laquelle? 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 Which ones? Masculine, plural. Lesquels? 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 Which ones? And in that case it will be the feminine, plural. Lesquels? 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 Where? Où? 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 Why? Pourquoi? 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 When? Quand? 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 What? Que? 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 Which? It will be for the masculine in that case. Masculine singular. Quel? 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 Which? And this is for the feminine singular. Quel? 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 Which? This will be for the masculine plural. Quel? 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 Which? And this is for the feminine plural. Quel? 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 Who? Qui? 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 What? And in that case, it will be whether it's after a preposition or if this what is located at the end of the sentence. Okay? Quoi? Quoi? Quoi?